singti krengi tongo. In fact, kabangma organization je tongnai ro borok bo khanani je Gumoti district no Youth Tipra Federation ni bisingti je shot khaina naimani close khaina naimani obono support khaina ni bagai khanani salo phaibai nai. In fact, blai ke hambai maro sini Tipra Women's Federations ni leadership ri tongnai rok no borok bo khanani salo phai chobawo sungbai support khaina ni bagai borok bo phainai. Thasingo just ani thani information sok paikya the additional SP Gumoti district ni sini tongnai additional SP Sobik De bo kaisa news media ni bisingti okok no sanani chaitokha khanani the Youth Tipra Federations ni bon dag okjakmani Gumoti district no borok abono Romnani bagai, Kasunani bagai, 1,500 plus police force, including TSR Soknon to we deploy Kaine Hene, the Borok ni statement Romani, Abosung Simon Ka, Tai Kanaka. Sung Kanani ze Sini movement, Kanani ze Sini hesitations, Kanani ze Sung Ban the Dagok Mani Gumoti district ni Bishingo. Borokai 1,500 police deploy khainai sungka 5,000 plus warriors rokse sungkhana ajaga attend khlai khanani jesini agitations jesini movement je ban khaina naimano sung success khlai phunuk nai haisi ang jotto sini YTF ni warriors sokno haino hai taisa koinai jotto warriors sokno time ni sai sakang phai khana sok paina ni bagai Joto warriors rock time ni sakang phai sok pai khanani movement no participate khaina ni bagai joto warriors rock time ni se sakang no phai aro in discipline babe ya voi discipline babe in a disciplined manner khanani movement no success khlaina ni bagai tabuk bo sung the press meet khaimani pore already 24 hours lai thangka government of Tripura rock ni kuno statement sung mania kho Government of Tripura ni kuno response sung tagbo maya kho Government of Tripura ro obono list bother khlai obono ignore khlai tongmani sini mokol ni buskango sung flang kai nugui tong haisi. So through this Facebook live I would like also to convey a clear message to the government of Tripura. They should take this matter seriously as much as quickly as possible haisi. Otherwise, they will have to face the consequence in the days to come. Sini hesitations no, sini movement no, more intensifies and klainya haisi. Khana hangkai just starting se sini bagai, judi khana ni bisingo positive response nu hangkai positive kuno signs sing mania hangkai sini YTF rong ni bisingo. Not only Gumoti district, it will affect even West district ong nai, South district ong nai, Unukoti district ong nai, nini Sipahizola district ong nai, nini North district ong nai, Dalai district ong nai, jotto jagano Tripurani binno jagawo ong nai haisi. So government of Tripura obono serious note klai dakti khai step nanani nangu. Sini ha bubagra jotono saimano the most influential leaders entire Northeast ose o entire Northeast ni most influential leaders jefro public ni upliftment ni bagai Gumoti district o tongnai gorib ongsho sini borok rok ni development ni bagai projects ni bagai samung je ruki ui tongmani no expedite khaina ni bagai malanya naimani je ignore khlaijakmani disregard kaijakmani abono kunu mote khaipano sung siringkai tongmania gosimania. In fact, it is not the fight for only YTF alone. This fight hingkai joto Tiprasani sini respect ni bagai Tiprasani honors ni bagai Tiprasani choba se haisi. Nini je jagawo Honorable Minister of Home Affairs say sini His Highness no Maharaj ni borom ruwei multiple time malainani bagi kok sai tong manu je jago prime minister Narendra Modi malai manu je jago nini kabangma cabinet ministers rok central lo tongnai malai manu Khoroksa district magistrate othoso nini district magistrate eba je administration ni officers rok jesini public representative brok bai kaham halok naragei public ni betterment ni bagi samung khaina nangma jorawo je disregard khaijak mano YTF kunu khaipano gosiwi mania haisi so khanani chobani bisingtei sungobono clear message government of Tripura no send khlainai convey khlainai je dakti kha step nananing to action nananing to in fact the BD Prime Minister Excellency the award manka sini torit kanti chakma abono fanose rosai nanani nango haisi obo hai VIP attitude VIP the culture VIP the bini behavior obo kunu khaipano Tripurani hastewo tongkasang boyar nainai takuk song development nainai tiprasarok development nainai kabangma ongshoni community ni bororok obono kunu khaipano gosiwi mania haisi aboni bagai ang sanai YTF rok tomorrow jotono kebo nogo asuk tongyawoi in fact not only Gumoti district ni YTF simia joto ongshoni YTF rok khanani salo nongkhornani nangnai phainani nangnai o chobo nongkhornani nangnai haisi sung ang haino hai repeat ma khaya subik the day additional SP statement rikha 1500 plus borok khana borok ni the force borok deploy khaine hine including TSR sokno sini youth Tripura federations ni the dagok jak banno kasunani bagai haisi sung kunu khaipan mani mania khanani sal sung peaceful babe no democratic ni babe the law and orders no kaisapana sung violate khayawi no sung khanani je chobano khlainani thangai tongo judi no obo hai khlai tini suno stop khainani naikyanke sini rights no seknani naikyanke YTF will respond with a strong message haisi ga aboni bage ang sanai joto YTF ni warriors rock get ready for tomorrow's movement jotono phaibedi time to time phaibedi tai ang haino hai repeat khayo haisi total sini bisingo total tongo 8 ta block tongo 8 ta block tamtamo block tong nini matabari block tongo ajagawo Gumoti district bisingo nini Tepania block tongo Gumoti district ni bisingo nini Killa block tongo aroni bisingo nini Kakrapon block tongo aroni bisingo nini Omorpur block tongo aroni bisingo nini Ompi block Karbuk block Silasori block o block rokbo khanani salok closed engnai shat engnai YTF ni warriors rock sini Tripura hani warriors rock sini TWF ni warriors rock obono khana strong babe sung ma khlainai not only that sung blaike happy kabangma organization ni borok sungme kok duk tin bisingti krungi tongo abo borok bo sono khana support nani ani je movement no jotono time to time phai sokpaina nangnai tai kebo indiscipline ingya woi kaham krung khai sung khanani movement ni bisingo thansani chobama phunuknai thansani marima phunuknai kaisatai kaisana hamya sanani thangya kaisatai kaisana chaya phunuknani thangya kaisatai kaisani birut choba khainani thangya o choba hangkai Tripura sani rights ni choba o choba hangkai Gumoti district ni public ni rights ni choba o choba hangkai je VIP culture khlaiye jonogon ni development no rukiri tonmani VIP culture ni bisingte jonogon ni je samung no stop khai tongmani obono jobab rnani bagise strong response rnani bagi strong message convey khlainani bagise khanani YTF ni joba haisi so TWF roxini leaders rokbo dakti no phai manjak phaike blaike chanai not only TWF nini Tripura hani joto warriors rokor phai manjak phaike blaike chanai tai TISF Tripura Indigenous Student Federations ni leaders rokbo dakti bongni warriors rok ni bisingti phai sokpake chanai not only that a jagao joto tongnai am janta rok public rok borok bo phai mang khangkai belai ke chanai tamni kai sini o choba Gumoti district ni public rokno gorib ongsho borok rokno je sini luku rokno justice renani bagi khanani choba rights renani bagi khanani choba koroksa the most influential leaders Northeast ni entire Northeast ni bono disregard khaimani not only sini his highness no disregard khaimani klaya abo entire Tiprasano disregard khaimani klayo haisi over high disregard khaimani no sing khana strong jawab sing renai strong message sing renai haisi jesekmano police 1500 plus bongni force mano deploy khaitu sing YTF warriors rock YTF ni sengkra rock khana sing a barriers no par khai sing thangai khanani movement no sing success khlainai abong khasini promise abong khasini samai haisi abon bagai norok jotono nang haino hai taisa khani hamjakma tai chobani chiba yafari khanani salo malai finai khanani salo malai lainai tai khanani o chobao sungjo to palbak sakai thansa tongmani bisingtei sung success khlainai hai